out the first few times.
Jake says, I'm not sure.
He's like,
You see my ball.